Channel 52. The Jumble Heist. They're gonna jumble.
Hell yeah!
Hey, asshole! Come over here right now! Sorry for you. Here's what's up. My name's Stan, and I sell vials of alien cum. I know that's probably not what you wanted to hear when you walked over here. You wanted cum or what?
Fork over the gum, fucko.
Wow, you just went right for it. Didn't even ask any questions. Didn't even ask how much it costs. I knew I was right about you. I knew you loved alien cum. Well, here, have this alien cum on the house. Just tell all your friends about me. Say Stan has the absolute best alien cum I've ever seen, tasted, touched. Whatever. I'm not sure if it's his or if he's getting it from some other alien, but okay, you saw her away. I wasn't saying nothing.
Hey, we're asking you some questions. Do you know Dr. Giblets?
What are you talking about?
Hey there, it's me, Pseudo. Looks like you're trying to interrogate a suspect. Let's ask them some questions.
Do I look nervous? Oh, jeez, you're making me nervous with this interrogation. I'm really sorry. I don't know who that is. But good luck, I guess. Hope you find them. Am I what? What is it with you and this Dr. Giblets guy? My name's Craig, and I'm really sick from eating a lot of sandwiches. Leave me alone. What? Why do you care? If you must know, I ate 15 whole sandwiches, and yes, I regret it. I don't know why I ate that many.
Woof, they didn't know anything. That was a real D-rank interrogation. Sorry. Oh well, maybe you could just find more people to interrogate. You'll get it next time. Oh, oops, sorry about that. This is the trial version of detective mode, so there's going to be ads. You love ads. This'll be worth it, I promise.
You there! Yeah, you slick. Tell us what you know about Dr. Giblets.
Slick? What the fuck are you talking like that for? Oh, Jesus Christ, leave me alone.
What, the drug guys? No! I don't have any fucking ties to the evil drug conglomerate. I'm a normal person trying to live a normal life in the city. Why in the fuck would I have any ties to the G3? How you doing? Like with your weird interrogation? Awful! Annoying! I wish you'd stop! I don't know and I don't give a shit. I'm busy. You need anything else or can I fucking go? What's my whole deal? Like, who am I? What do I do? Well, my name's Jackie T. Pooperton and what I do is tell you to fuck off!
Ooh, bummer, they were a tough cookie. But they were telling the truth according to my sensors, so let's say that was a C-rank interrogation. Better luck next time, let's look for somebody else.
Hey, let us talk to you.
Oh, sure. What's this about, can I ask? Shh, hey, quiet. Don't say his name so loud. I can't help you, but Blordo can. Mention my name, Michael Taint. Then he'll talk. But no cracks about my name.
Holy shit, wow, we actually got something we can use. Okay, woo-hoo. That was a A-rank interrogation. Good for you. Let's head over to Blordo and mention Michael Taint.
All right, Blordo. We need the hookup on Dr. Giblets.
Whoa, where'd you hear that name? You can't just go asking around town for a guy like that.
What? Why? You got a problem with us asking for Dr. Giblets?
I don't know. Why do you think I know anything about Dr. Giblets? I don't know nothing. Now buy something, I'll beat it, Buster. Ah, that piece of shit! I'm gonna kill him! Look, if you're really looking for trouble, maybe check out the new High on Life store in the slums. The Hyperbong 6 midnight launches tonight, but you should be able to get in by now. Just don't mention my name. I didn't say nothing. Now get out of here. If anyone sees me talking to you, I'm dead.
See? Was that so fucking hard? You know, we had to talk to a bunch of losers just to get you to open up.
Whoa! Great sleuthing, detectives. That was an S-rank interrogation.
Hey, there's my favorite VIP. Hey, you don't have to wait through any of this funny business. You are allowed right in, my friend.
All right, let's just find this high on life store and get the hell out of here.
Get it. You don't want to talk to me. I'm the broken leg guy. Nobody wants to talk to the broken
We
leg.
heard you were asking around for giblets.
Don't fuck with us, man!
I got a man. Oh, yeah? You wanna fucking die? Okay, then.
You're fucking wrong. Oh, there's so many more of us ants. You fucking don't even know.
How'd you kill him?
Hey, use my trick hole.
Oh, I'm sorry. I can't hear you over the sound of me being way better than you.
You're not gonna fight us?
Yeah, fuck those small fries. They're literally ants to us. Wow, looks like the property value's going up around here. High on Life has got... Take that, you ant freaks! We're not scared of you or the G3! You don't want us sniffing around? Then do something about it! Oh, wait! I guess you tried that! Come on, let's find High on Life.
Fuck off!
There we fucking go. We made it to High on Life.
Hyperbong fan. I love buying hyperbongs. I've got 20 of them already. And
Hey,
I'm
don't
gonna
worry,
buy 20
detectives can
more,
always
trust
cut
me.
lines. The rules do not apply to the law.
I need the new hyperbong. You don't understand. This isn't like a consumer loyalty thing. It's more like
923.
Well, well, well. I smell another mystery. I'm Pseudo, by the way. You know me.
Dude, go away.
Yeah, you already know what I'm gonna say. Try interrogating all the employees here.
Yeah, no shit, Pseudo.
Hello, and welcome to High on Life. I'm Barrick. I'm going to be a personal High on Life professional today. That makes sense, right? Does that sound okay? I'm new here. Hey, it's my first day. Can you do me a favor and not mention Dr. Giblets around here? They told us not to talk about him. God, I'd really love to help you because you look very cool. But no, sorry, I have no clue. Oh, no, it's okay, I guess. It's the big Hyperbond 6 midnight launch, and we literally just opened, so I only been here for like half an hour. And honestly, okay, yeah, it kind of sucks so far because, like, I can already feel my soul leaving my body. Me? Oh, no, I'm straight edge. I don't even like thinking about drugs. This job was, it was a bad idea for me, probably.
Wow, nice kid, but not helpful at all. You get a big fat D ranking.
Okay, nobody cut me or I will scream. I can.
Welcome to High on Life store number 7923. Your local.
Well, well, well. I smell another mystery. I'm Pseudo, by the way. You know me.
Dude, go away.
Yeah, you already know what I'm gonna say. Try interrogating all the employees here.
Yeah, no shit, Pseudo.
It is my pleasure to welcome you to High on Life. Are you being helped already? You know, I can't recall whether or not I've heard that name before, but I'm actually much more interested in telling you all about the fabulous features that come packed in with the brand new Hyperbong 6. I'm so sorry. That is a really fantastic question, but I'm not authorized to answer it. Have you considered buying a drop-proof case for your Hyperbong?
Ooh, boy, they really want to make that commission, huh? Sorry, but I gotta give you another D rank.
Holy shit, this is a madhouse. Oh, sorry. Hi, thanks for shopping at High on Life. I'm the manager here. Are you finding everything okay? Oh, man, this again. Look, man, I just work here. I don't know anything about the store, or who built it, or I'm kind of a fuck-up. I lied on my resume. I got this manager gig. I never even met Dr. Giblets. I don't know what he looks like. I couldn't even point him out in a crowd.
But you know about him.
Yeah, sure I do. He owns this place. He never comes around, though. I don't really know where he is. What? I told you. I have no idea where he is. And you're being really aggressive. Leave me alone. It's super fucking busy right now, and you're distracting the hell out of me.
Okay, shit, not so good. Looks like we've hit a dead end.
Nice day for a shopping trip, ain't it?
It sure is. I know I'd go shopping on a day like this.
Except this wannabe bounty hunter doesn't seem to be shopping.
That's right. Seems like they're poking their beak where it don't belong.
Be a shame if something happened to your beak as a result if you catch our drift.
More of this shit? Are you fucking kidding me? More of this? Why is everybody on our case today? Please, just fuck off!
You got a fresh mouth on you, kid. Be a shame if something happened to that mouth as a result.
Pardon my associate here. He's only got one good threat, but I assure you, he can back it up.
That's right. A word to the wise. Stay out of this. Got it?
We've got this covered.
What the hell was that?
Yikes, we got a trample victim. Hey, dead nerd trampled to death.
Yeah. My friend Davy Glutes got trampled in the rush. Pretty sad. Oh, you can go ahead and take his mag boots. It's not a problem. He was a really bad guy. Like, morally, he was very fucked up. Bad morals. Shouldn't have been friends with him, really. Not really a good idea. Don't know really why I liked him so much. Yeah, that's fine. You totally take those mag boots.
Why are you looking at me like that, bounty hunter? He's dead. He's not.
Hey, sick moves. You're making good use of those mag boots. You're using those things way better than David Bluth ever did. Look at you.
Let's go! Fucking drones. Did you jump into this toxic sludge on purpose? Come on, you can tell me. Time for these fuckers.
Bounty hunter, show yourself. Student loans.
This all day!
Welcome back. We've got company. Hello there.
Oh, great. You fuckers again.
Don't worry, they're cool.
We've been observing you.
Hope that don't rustle your jimmies none.
Because newsflash, buckos, we're on your side.
We'd like to formally apologize for how we treated you earlier.
We didn't realize who we were dealing with.
You'll have to forgive us.
And we're sorry we still sound like we're intimidating you.
It's the only way we know how to talk. Our wives hate us.
We represent Magistrate Clug Nugman.
Maybe you've heard of him.
He's certainly heard of you. Here's the skinny slim. The Torg family, or what's left of it anyway. They got mixed up with a bad crowd. The G3 cartel. Or more specifically, Dr. John Giblets, Ph.D.
And Clug wants it squashed, pronto.
He says you're the right bounty hunter for the job. Says you're already helping him. Says the G3 is our common enemy.
We've got a lead on Dr. Giblets. He's been warping all over, leaving behind a nice little warp trail for us.
We're thinking you can follow those breadcrumbs all the way to the gingerbread house.
That way Clug don't have to get his cute little hands dirty.
You dig?
This kid's fast.
Yeah, check out Dale Earnhardt Jr. over here.
Let's say somebody dies. Maybe, hypothetically, their name is Dr. Giblets.
Well, should anything like that happen, we had nothing to do with it.
We didn't even mention it. This conversation never happened.
And Clug will be very grateful.
Speaking of which, why don't you follow us? Clug wants to speak in person.
Oh, shit, yeah. Let's go see what Clug's been up to.
So, you gonna step...
Oh, welcome back. Thank you so much for all your help.
Yeah, they've been aces.
Yeah, real pros.
Oh, enough pleasantries. Let's keep this moving.
Sorry about those two. They can be a bit intense. Really, I don't know why they talk like that. But look, you've seriously done so much for me. I hate to ask for anything else, but this election is really close. And, well, keeping the G3 out of Blim, it's really gonna help me lock this in. Do you think you could, deal with Dr. Giblets?
Trust me, we're gonna blast him to pieces with or without you, but we just hit a dead end.
A dead end? Oh no, we can't have that. Let me just leave this map data right here on my desk. Not sure what might be on it.
Got it. That's where Dr. Giblets is.
Whoa. Even if this map data did take you to Dr. Giblets, we're not 100% sure it would be his actual base. You'll still need to do some detective work.
Fuck yeah. And then we get to,
Hey, I can't officially tell you to do that. Not if I want to win this next election, at least. Good luck out there, bounty hunter.
We don't need luck. Fuck yeah, let's go kill Dr. Giblets.
What are you doing here? Scram.
How'd it go?
Honestly, gotta hand it to Clug. He showed us where Giblets is.
It's great. I kind of regret not voting for him. Now get out there and kill Giblets.
What the hell is going on around here? And who did that?
I brought you some flowers, Jill.
Where are my parents?
I picked these especially for you.
No, I want some answers.
Don't you want that?
Mervin, what the hell are you doing bothering Jill?
Is this some kind of practical joke? Where are my parents?
Oh, thank God someone's here. I'm losing.
Rest in peace, bucko. Okay, Giblets, you sick fuck. Come on out. Where are you?
Oh, I'm sure we'll be able to find Dr. Giblets with just a little bit of detective work. Let's look around for clues.
Fine, let's just get this shit over with.
Huh, that's a lot of dead bodies. What do you think happened in here? Whatever it was, it's not a good situation for everyone who died, but it's great for us that someone was killing G3 mercs. You know what, that makes sense. Everyone hates the G3. I bet people try to kill them all the time. I mean, a destroyed drone. Looks like it was deployed for combat. Nothing fishy there, that's what they're used for, that's what drones are for, they're for combat. That's not weird to see a destroyed drone. Looks like your typical work desk, nothing too crazy. Best I can guess is someone interrupted Dr. Giblets while he was doing experiments. I don't know, I'm just throwing stuff at the wall here. Okay, yeah, I think I'm getting a sense of what happened here. Someone beat us to the punch. They attacked Dr. Giblets and all his men. Oh, we need more information. Let me hack the door so we can go deeper and look for more clues.
He better be there.
Howdy there, cowboys. Oh, shit. Sorry, wrong bit. I mean, howdy there, detectives. Ooh, this looks like the lab where Dr. Giblets did his experiments. There's gotta be something helpful in here. Let's get to scanning.
Oh, really? Is that what we're supposed to do?
These must be old Hyperbong prototypes. Way jankier than the ones they're selling at the High on Life store. Well, we just pointed these out. Now we can move on to the next thing. Was he doing experiments on his own henchmen? Jesus Christ, that's fucked up, right? Yeah, that's fucked up. I know it's fucked up. I don't know why I asked. I knew it was fucked up. Whew, look at all these drone heads. Dr. Giblets was an expert at creating cybernetic organisms. But we already knew that. I don't think this is a very helpful clue. I do think it's neat, though. It's cool to look at fucked up drone heads. Thanks for showing me this. Alright, here's my new theory. Dr. Giblets was even more twisted than we could ever imagine. He was torturing his own henchmen. He wasn't right in the head. Although I guess that's what Douglas did too, so maybe that's normal for the G3. Maybe he was normal. No way to know unless we go deeper. I'm hacking the next door! Alright, I got no fucking idea what this room is, but I'm sure there's more clues in here, so go find more clues, baby! Oh boy, did Dr. Giblets write this? He was really paranoid, huh? He really thought people were trying to kill him. Are these second-place trophies? They're trophies for what, science? Just science?
A Gatlian's in there. Oh no, they look like shit.
Aha, so that's our murder weapon. Dr. Giblets must have used that modified Gatlian to attack his men. It's pretty powerful, did a lot of damage. It'd be great if we could somehow get that Gatlian for ourselves. You think that's gonna happen? Who knows? Let's find out. Okay, this case. Dr. Giblets really did go insane. He was paranoid that someone was after him, so he killed his own men. While you were wasting time doing detective work, I was busy scanning the area for Dr. Giblets and decrypting the password on his security system. Now you can just follow the waypoint right.
So you wasted our fucking time, Pseudo?
Yep, sorry. I just love detective mode so much I didn't want you to stop using it. Now go kill Dr. Giblets.
Well, okay. I guess Dr. Giblets went and killed himself for us. That was anticlimactic.
Jesus Christ, that was the easiest one yet. All right, let me at him.
Dr. Giblet status report. No life sense detected. Entering full security lockdown.
Shit!
Hello! If you're hearing this pre-recorded message, It means you've successfully managed to murder one of the greatest minds in all of super science. Congratulations, you killed me. But I knew this day would come, and I was prepared for this moment. Now see if you can survive my retribution from beyond the grave!
Okay, shit yes! We do get to fight!
Everyone called me crazy, but look at me now! I'm dead and you're trapped! Fallen prey to my glorious science you were ever so jealous of! That's right, Timothy! I know it was you. My old son killed me, but for what? The inheritance? My lab? Or just a plain old space edifice complex? No matter! Just as you had no qualms about killing your own father, I shall gladly spill the blood of my firstborn! Farewell, Cribbity Giblets! Everyone called me crazy, but look at me now! I'm dead and you're trapped in here, fallen prey to my glorious science you were ever so jealous of! That's right, Timothy! The inheritance? My lab? Or just a plain old space complex? No matter! Just as you had no qualms about killing your own father, I shall gladly spill the blood of my firstborn! Farewell, Cribbity Giblets! If you're hearing this, it means you just killed an enemy. This is fine. I expected you to defeat some of them, but you didn't lose the war.
I can tell you're really strong.
I recorded this message in the event that you're wearing a jetpack and use it during the fight. I don't really have anything to say about it. I just wanted to cover all my bases here. Good work using the jetpack. But it won't be enough!
Is that it?
If you're hearing this, it means you made it past my first onslaught. Perhaps you aren't my son, Timothy. Yes, I was wrong. How could I have been so blind? I know who killed me now. It was you! Krubis!
What? He thinks Krubis killed him?
Yay! Yes!
Jesus Christ, how many of these did he record?
Krubis, always complaining about being the lowest well-known matter. You thought you could kill me and take my spot at the top, didn't you? Well, think again, because, well, you did kill me actually, but I'm gonna kill you back! After all those years to find mountains of paperwork, you finally got to get your hands dirty again, just like you wanted. I really am proud of you, but you picked the wrong dirt to get dirty with. I'm done with analogies. Krubis, could this actually be about the time that I slept with your wife? And then convinced her to divorce you and marry me instead? And then they made her do an experiment for me and she died in that process? And you were revenging yourself for the rest of the days? Could it be that? I feel like it's probably not, but I just want to make sure. I don't know if I'm dead. But soon you can tell me. In hell!
Shouldn't have done that.
You never told me your last name!
Now he thinks it was Douglas?
Douglas, you always were unpredictable. Your relentless party habits almost landed you in hot water with Garmantuous. Perhaps you wish to strike back against our leader by killing his prize scientist, me! That would certainly hurt his feelings. But it was a mistake. You could just walk out of here alive. Douglas, I was at a party where you got naked and experimented with one of the Scrindle brothers. It was really hot. I even took photographs. Perhaps that's why you killed me. To get back those photographs. Well, too bad. I had rigged my computer to post them all over the internet the second my heart stopped beating. But don't worry, they're really hot. So everyone will think it's cool. Douglas, how does it feel having the very troops you trained turn against you? And yet to be so elemental?
You can't hide from us.
Let's glob it to him!
Oh, you think I'm scared? Guess what?
Alright, what's next?
Still alive, are you? You should have known it was you. It could only have been you. How moronic of me to assume otherwise. You're the most obvious suspect. Nebulon.
Nipulon? He's the second in command.
Nebulon, you've been here from the start. Garmantuous's favorite right-hand man. You always hated the attention he gave me. You wanted them all for yourself. I always was scared of you. I'm not even sure I can defeat you, but I have to try.
Surveil this!
How are you faring, Nebulon? Still holding in there? I knew you'd be tough. It's one thing to serve in the G3, but it's another altogether to fully embody its ideology. I really did respect you when I was alive. But I must kill you back.
Don't my corpse.
Everything I have at you, but can you survive this entire base self-destructing? 3, 2, 1. Okay, I'll have to remember to rig that up later and time it with this video. Note to self. Rig up base to self-destruct. Rig up base to self-destruct. Rig up base.
It's too easy, like stabbing mice in a barrel.
Nobody's gonna miss you. Alright, that's gotta be it.
Okay, this is my final message. If you're still alive to hear this, then I've made a great mistake. I was wrong. Only one person could have survived all of that. Myself! I killed myself!
Finally!
It makes sense, you know. I always hated myself. I knew I'd get the guts to do it one of these days. Good for me.
Oh, that's dark.
So, okay, I killed myself. Whoops. My apologies to whoever's hearing this. I hope you'll forgive me for making you go through all of that. You can leave now. Have a good day. Giblets out. R.I.P. Giblets.
Wow, okay, good work. I think we can get back out through the trapdoor now. Wow! Power slide!
As I continue to study these humans, I find them to be more complex than I ever could have expected. Initially, I saw great potential in both the
Is he even alive? You know what? Let's take him back to Gene. Gene knows he can get him all fixed up.
Those were nothing but dead ends. Humans.
Hey!
Humans are going to...
Let's do
I
this,
just wanted to
bounty
say,
hunter.
Today really meant a lot to me, and God, this is so fucking hard. Your free trial of detective mode is up, so see you later. Bye.
Oh, thank God. Okay, bounty hunter, you go through the menus. You find that detective mode. You shut it the fuck off. Never again, okay?
Wow, look at that. You found Dr. Giblets all by yourself. See? It's not so easy figuring out where these bozos are. Let it go. Come on over, let's powwow.
Okay, so we did find Dr. Giblets. He is dead, but we also found another Gatlian.
Oh shit, that's great.
I don't know about that. I mean, he's not really functional. I don't think he's dead, but...
Oh, God damn. Yeah, he's busted up real bad. What were they doing to him?
Do you think he's salvageable?
Buddy, I'm not gonna promise you I can save him. That would be irresponsible of me. It would be careless to toy with your emotions like that. But yes, I can definitely fix him.
Okay, thanks, Gene. But you know, if he can't be saved, it wouldn't be,
What was that?
Nothing. I was being shitty. You didn't hear me. I don't want you to hear me being shitty.
Yeah, okay. Weird thing to say, but whatever. Sorry to change the subject, but, turn in your bounty real quick. I've got some good news and some bad news. Okay, come on over.
All right, what do you got for us, Gene?
All right. Which do you want first? The good news or the bad news? All right. Here's the bad news. Lizzie's been gone for a while. It's probably nothing, and I'm obviously not actually worried or anything because I hate her. But, you know, you might want to look into it, since she's your sister and all. Maybe check with Tweeg. He works at that Space Applebee's uptown. All right, well, I lied, kid. I don't have any good news. I was hoping you'd just ask for the bad news, and then you'd be so upset you'd forget to ask about the good news. I was trying to pull a fast one on you, and I failed. So, it's pretty embarrassing. Yeah, that's everything. I'll work on getting us some new bounty leads if you want to go look for Lizzie. And, I'm gonna see if I can fix up that busted Gatlian you saved.
Jesus, that is a lot to take in, Gene. Hey, bounty hunter, you mind if we leave the other Gatlians here with Gene and maybe we can go poke around for Lizzie and use that time to have a little chat with each other? You know, just you and me, our favorite people, our favorite, you and I, our best pals.
Oh, sure, we can use a little break. It's nice to stretch out a bit, you know? Take a little nappy poo.
Oh, yeah. Change the channel, Gene, to porn.
Have a good time, you two. We'll hold down the fort.
All right, bounty hunter, let's head to Applebee's and let's find your sister. Look at us, just you and me again, you know, just like old times, like the dream team, you know? So Applebee's, it's in the slums, which you probably knew that, so your suit can point us in the right direction. So you take the lead, bounty hunter. You know, we'll talk with, you know, we're gonna chat. It's gonna be good. It's all good. Don't worry about this. Don't get shooken up about this. There's no reason to be, you know, don't feel weird or anything. I'm not trying, you know what I mean? Hey, listen, I'm sorry about being weird back there. It's just, well, there's something I need to tell you. Whew, this is hard. Just give me a second. You got this, Kenny. Come on. What are you doing? Making it awkward. All right, Kenny, you're talking to yourself now. They can hear you. It's not so hard. Just tell them everything.